For over the past 40 years, Diamondback Bicycles has made good quality bikes. Here I have a 2018 Diamondback Line. This is a mid-travel trail bike that comes stock with SR, Suntour, XCR 120mm travel forks, 2.3-inch 27.5 Vigilante tires, Diamondback SL 27.5 double wall rims, Shimano Acera M3000 9-speed shifter, Shimano M315 disc brakes, 180mm front disc rotor, a 9-speed Acera M3000 shadow derailleur, alloy cranks with a 30-tooth narrow wide chainring. As much as I do love this bike, I wish Diamondback would pair this with 10 more millimeters of front travel suspension, as it'll help with steeper descents. I do thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helped.